You're going to see the laser centering now. This is a Formlabs Fuse1 printer centering the Nylon 12 powder to build our part. And now you'll see the recoater lay another layer of Nylon 12 powder over what was just centered. And now you'll see the next layer of centering. It'll keep centering it layer by layer until the final part is built. You can see a picture of the projected final part there on the right side of the screen under current job. So what you see being centering is just one layer of that part.